doing this right on my phone. You download, I have a Canva app here. You press it and then you come on the typing bar. You type YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. How come it's not bringing it? Okay, YouTube thumbnail, it's right there. And then you can see it gives you more than 20,000 YouTube thumbnail. So you want to create, you can just choose one of these. I will choose like this one. I will choose the one for my daily blogs, because that's what I'm doing right now. So I will do my daily blogs, this one. And as you can see, it's there. So if you want to change, you can change these little things. You can remove them. Okay, I will just choose this daily vlog, and then you customize it. And daily vlog, a day in my life. So that's what the one I got. You can see I brought it here now. You can come and go to your camera and get your picture. I will upload one of my pictures from my camera. Let's see if I have any picture here. It looks like, yes, I do have a picture. I'll use that one. I want to my page. And then you come and fit it where you want it to fit. Maybe I'll put it at the corner over there. Yeah, so you can see. And then I'll remove the vlog. I'll remove this. And then I'll type something else. Daily vlog. My daily vlog. And then I'll move this one to make it a little bit not too broad, because I want to type some other ones over there. And then so I'll type daily vlog, moving, let's say, what am I typing? I'll say moving to Africa. No, reasons why I'm going back to Africa. Let me type, I'm going back to Africa. Yeah, you see here they are giving you the text that you want. You choose the ones you want, like the nice handwriting. I'll use this one. Not because I don't have a big space, I'll just use the one with the small writings. I'll use this one. And so I'll delete this. And then I'll delete the other one so I can type it's time to move back. I'm typing back to Africa. Africa. From America. From America. So as you can see, I did that one now. I'll bring it here. From America. How do you write America? I'm slow typing, so yeah, just to make it nice, and then done. Okay, and then that's how it looks like. I'll color that red. You come to the colors over here. Color it. No, red doesn't look good. Black, no. I think white, it looks good. Okay. And then and then I come to the once again. I'll come here and I'll make the font size a little bit bigger, and then I'll move it a little bit, and that's how it is. Maybe I'll make this one a little bit bold. Textile, no. So bear with me, I'm a little bit slow because I'm doing it on the phone. It's time to move to Africa. To Africa from America. Okay, and then you save it. And then you save it to your, you save it where? No, I save it over here. Yeah, it's saving it. You save it as an image. Right now it's saving. Let's see how this looks like. And then you come here, you saved the image on your photos. Okay, so it's all saved, and then I'll show you that's the finished thing. Now when you go to your